Hello and welcome. My name is Kevin Henry, an information security consultant, an educator, and author of several certifications in information security management here at Pluralsight. And I often get questions. What's next after the CISSP or CISM? So this course is the answer, the next step in your information security management career. I look forward to sharing knowledge and experiences with you in this course on the governance of information security. This course will help you gain an essential understanding of the role of information security leaders in providing oversight to the security function. This course will give you an understanding of how governance is essential for the career development of information security managers, addressing the areas of governance and strategy, frameworks and laws, metrics, and communication. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about these core concepts and to enhance your career through this course at Pluralsight.